In this video, we are going to demonstrate some of the miscellaneous capabilities of PDM's document management solution. To initiate the document management portion of PDM, we'll first select a project, in this case Ansett High School PDM, double-click on the project, and then select the Documents tab on the Main Project tab. Within the folder tree, we will select a folder of documents that we would like to manage, in this case the Marketing with Attributes, and then select, using the right mouse button, Manage Documents. There are other videos that focus on how to create documents in PDM as well as how to edit documents, so we'll focus on some of the other attributes in this video. If we select a document, one of the things that we can see is we can undo a checkout. So if we initiate a checkout using the edit process, set it to change, and initiate the checkout process, then what we can also do is right mouse click and undo the checkout to stop the process and return back to the original document. We also have the ability to extract a document, and here I can specify a specific location I want to extract the document to. In this case, we'll put it on the desktop, and the document can be extracted out to any location, and you can also be prompted if you immediately want to open the document for viewing. You can modify the status of a document. This document is currently active, but you can also set it back to draft, inactive, or delete the document entirely. You can also define a URL that is associated with this document that you can send to other people so they can access the document directly. By right mouse clicking on URL and then selecting the DFM shortcut, a shortcut is placed into your clipboard. I'm going to open up Word, and if I then Control V or paste into Word, you can see a description of exactly where this document is located and the name of the document itself. And anybody you send this to can click on the highlighted link, and assuming they have the appropriate security, they can go directly to this document. This is extremely useful if you want to share a link to a document through email. You can copy this right into an email message. Last thing we'll look at are the properties. The property screen is 7 tabs with a tremendous amount of information about the document. First tab on the Attribute tab defines all of the existing attribute information for this specific document using its assigned document type. The Properties tab not only includes the document type name here, but also other information about current revision and version, last edit dates, and whether the document is currently printable, part of a set, and other miscellaneous information about the document. Version tab gives us a list of all the versions of this document, including the date of the version and number. The Formats tab provides us a list of all the different files that have been created that this document is represented by. This is one of the strongest capabilities of PDM in that you can create multiple file types representing the same document. In this way, depending on the functionality requirement of the user, they are assured that they get the file that is optimized for that specific operation. For instance, for doing viewing, they would get a PDF. For printing, they could get a TIFF. And on this screen, you can see the different file formats that are used. Transactions shows a complete list of every transaction that's taken place, and also can give you a record of the change information when a document was put forth through a change process, as well as the dates things were done and the operation or action that was done and who it was done by. Access provides a list of all users that have accessed this document. For those that are using the PDM portal, you can see a list of exactly who has accessed this document and how they've accessed it. And finally, the History tab is a complete historical log of everything that has occurred with this document. This concludes our video on some of the additional capabilities of PDM's document management solution.